Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing the all-new Hyundai Santa Fe 2024 in detail. This vehicle brings many innovations and advanced technologies, making it one of the most sought-after SUVs in 2024. Let's take a closer look at its specifications and advantages. The 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe features a more aggressive and modern exterior design. The large grille with chrome accents and slim LED headlights give it a luxurious yet sporty look. On the side, the bold body lines and up to 20-inch alloy wheels add to its rugged appeal. Meanwhile, at the rear, the LED lights that stretch across the tailgate make it look even more futuristic. The 2024 Santa Fe comes with two engine options: a 2.5-liter turbocharged gasoline engine that delivers up to 281 horsepower and a 1.6-liter turbo hybrid engine that's more eco-friendly yet powerful, offering 226 horsepower. With its 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, the Santa Fe is ready to tackle various terrains with reliable and stable performance. Inside, the Hyundai Santa Fe 2024 offers a spacious cabin with premium material finishes, leather-wrapped seats, air vents for all rows, and a panoramic sunroof enhance the driving comfort. Additionally, a 12.3-inch digital dashboard and a 12.3-inch central touchscreen provide intuitive navigation and infotainment controls. In terms of safety, the 2024 Santa Fe comes equipped with Hyundai's SmartSense technology, featuring systems like forward collision, avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, and blind spot view monitor. It also includes a 360-degree camera, parking sensors, and adaptive cruise control, making driving easier, whether on the highway or in urban areas. The 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe also comes with advanced entertainment technology for passengers. The premium Bose audio system, with 12 speakers, delivers an immersive sound experience. Additionally, the car supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing both the driver and passengers to easily access various apps. In conclusion, the Hyundai Santa Fe 2024 is an SUV that not only offers an impressive design, but also delivers strong performance, advanced safety features, and cutting-edge technology. If you're looking for an SUV with premium comfort and modern features, the 2024 Santa Fe is the perfect choice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful.